Hey everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, we are going to know how to open the first descendant encrypted vaults locations. To open an encrypted vaults, you will need a code analyze. These come in the three variants: basic, precisions, and ultra precision. You will need to the specify type of analyzer that the vaults ask for. When need the vaults, it will be the specify which type of analyzer is required. Select the required analyze from your inventory to initiate the mini games. Note that using the analyze will consume it. A line will spin a circle. Press the indicated button when the line enters the highlighted zone. Aim to the press button right in the middle of the highlighted zone for the best result. Be mindful of timer. Missed time input will cause the timer to decrease faster. If you complete all inputs within the time limits, the vaults open and you get the rewards inside. If you run out of the time, you fail the mini games, lose the analyzer, and are kicked out of the vaults. I hope this video is useful for you. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe our channel and share with friends. Thanks for watching.